Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Gala video update today. And Gala still is, on the sideways potentially, and it's coming up a little bit. But I will say the market is more like consolidating. Okay, it's more like sideways, and with every single one drop of Bitcoin happens, we get a little bit of a blood, a little bit of a pump for Bitcoin. We get a little bit of a pump as well. So, there's Bitcoin effect, and then you have Gala on its own as well. And I don't know, maybe they might push it up. Still, chances are there for this thing to happen. But I would rather stick to the idea strictly that you are under the neckline. That's all. Very simple, okay? Instead of having confusion, instead of thinking about what is going on in the 15 minutes and the 1 hour time frame, the setup is 4 hour time frame. So when you speak of 4 hour time frame, you have to wait hours and hours. It even take 24 hours to get like 6 candle of the 4 hour time frame. So you really gotta wait maybe even the next 3-4 days to really see what exactly you're going to be doing. Saturday is gonna start very, very soon, and then we're gonna see. But the monthly looks amazing for Gala, to be honest. If I look at the monthly, I kind of like what the monthly is probably printing out, because you got a doji here, and you're making this doji. You got a bullish engulfing, you have a doji, and next month you could actually start to push up and even continue higher. Who knows? Okay, I cannot say that just yet, but it will be still important for me to see a drop down. And maybe when you drop down, then we're going to see if the prices are interested to go to the upside. I just want to see if somehow you do get down here, and then you get down to this line here, and then finally pop and continue even to the upside. So whatever the situation is, it's going to be a little bit of confusing state, and we're going to have to wait to see what exactly we're going to be getting. All right, let's bring in the EMAs on the daily time frame as well. So the daily time frame, wow, kind of looks good also. Looks good a little bit, but EMAs are not the only thing that I'm based judging things. I really want to see the prices breaking above the neckline. If the prices go above the neckline, I'm going to be a little bit, confident that, yeah, okay, now we're having something. And you're still trying to push above, but you always get rejected. You go rejected one time, second time, third time, and you're still trying again and again. So maybe finally, maybe fourth is the charm here. Maybe the fourth time is going to be the charm, and then you break it out. Otherwise, guys, I still have this target unless you're not breaking the neckline. It is a target. It is a technical target. I don't even know how many things I have to see. I just want to see all the time frames. The higher time frames are looking amazing. They're looking really, really good. Like, you got some dojis going on the weekly, some dojis on the monthly as well. The daily looks a little bit crisp. We do have chances of breaking it up, really. Some chances are there for breaking this thing and then pop up and then go to the upside. But it's going to depend on the reality and when the time comes as well. So when the time comes and then it breaks above it, then we're going to talk what happens next. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.